If you've ever searched for a bevel tool in Tinkercad and couldn't find one, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bevel in Tinkercad using a simple manual method that gives you the same effect. Because Tinkercad does not have a built-in bevel or chamfer tool, we'll create the shape ourselves using a hole and a wedge. This is a great technique for cleaning up edges, improving the look of your model, and making your designs feel more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tips and 3D design guides. Let's jump in. First, open Tinkercad and create your object. This can be any shape you want to bevel, such as a box, block, or custom model. The idea is to identify the edge or corner you want to soften. Once your main object is on the work plane, go to the Basic Shapes menu and add a wedge shape. This wedge is going to act like a cutting tool. Now change the wedge into a hole by selecting it and switching the shape type to hole. This is important because the wedge needs to subtract material from your object instead of becoming part of it. Next, rotate the wedge 90 degrees so the sloped side lines up correctly with the edge you want to bevel. Depending on which edge you're working on, you may need to rotate it on a different axis, so take your time and make sure the angle is facing the corner you want to cut away. After that, position the wedge along the edge of your object. This is where the Align tool becomes really useful. Select both the main object and the wedge, then press L or click Align. Use the alignment handles to center the wedge perfectly where the bevel should start. A clean alignment makes the cut look much more accurate and professional. Once the wedge is in the right place, resize it to control the bevel size. If you want a small, subtle bevel, make the wedge smaller. If you want a deeper chamfer-style cut, increase the size so more of the corner is removed. You can fine-tune the width, height, and depth until the slope looks exactly how you want it. This is the key part of the technique because the size of the hole determines how noticeable the bevel will be. When everything looks correct, select both the object and the hole wedge, then group them together by pressing Ctrl+G or clicking the group button. The wedge will cut into the corner and create the bevel effect instantly. If it doesn't look right the first time, just undo it, adjust the wedge, and try again. That's one of the benefits of working in Tinkercad, because you can easily refine the shape until it's perfect. You can also repeat this method on multiple edges or corners if you want a more polished design. Once you understand how the wedge hole method works, you can apply it to boxes, brackets, custom parts, and even more complex models. It's a simple workaround, but it's one of the most useful Tinkercad tricks to know. And just to be clear, this is the standard way to bevel in Tinkercad, because the software does not offer a true bevel or chamfer feature. So if you were looking for a one-click bevel button, this manual method is the answer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tinkercad tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more 3D design tips next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.